What's good, guys? It's your Bola Banks, and I'm right here again with another video. Some of you wants to learn how to trade forex or are learning how to trade forex and you don't know the apps you need on your phone or maybe on your laptop for you to start trading professionally. So on this particular video, I'm here to help you with those apps you need. So the first app here on my phone is the Trading View. You need to download this app. This app helps you if you don't have, maybe you don't have a monitor, you don't have laptop, anything big screen. If you have a mobile device, it is the first app you really want to download. So you see, it's just basically all about Trading View. It is just for chatting, where you can make your analysis. You can see what is happening. This is what's happening on my screen. But this same thing here. But the difference is this one is just bigger than this. You get to see more data on a large screen. That's why I would advise you to, if you have a laptop or you have a desktop or whatever, or maybe when you start picking money, you should just try to upgrade, get a bigger screen. So because you need more data to be able to analyze the chart properly. Moving on to the next app. The next app you wanna have is Investingcom. Investing.com. So basically what we do with this app is checking the news. So though this is my own recommendation, and you can also go for, we have Investing.com, we have my FX book, we have Forex Factory, but Forex Factory is just like a website. It's an alternative where we get to check news here. So what we'll do here is just for news, like just to check news. Like I said, it's for fundamental. So how you want to use this one? This is the market. You just come to these three lines right here where there is more. You click on more. You click on calendar. Calendar is okay, so you just click on calendar, this particular one. You click on calendar. So these are all the news. This is where you get to see all the news that is coming out, the one that has come out before, maybe prior, and the subsequent news that is coming out. Let's go for initial jobless claim. You see, it's coming out, initial jobless claim. These are the news that will be released today. So the line on top here, the line here dividing the one on top and the one below. The one on top are the one that has happened before, that has happened like today. You can see today on top here. These are the news that have already happened this morning, and these are the subsequent news that will be happening today. Let us go for initial jobless claim. You see, initial jobless claim will be coming out 1:30 p.m. today. The dollar news here. So you see the actual data is 215k, 225. The forecast is 225k, while the previous is 224k. So if you know how to trade news, you can do whatever you like with this one. So that's for that about the investing.com. So the next app here on my list. So the next app here on my list is the Forex Calculator. I promise you really need this one, especially as a newbie, but not even as a newbie, as both pro trader or whatsoever. So what this app is for is just to calculate the currency, to calculate maybe if you are following strict management, if you want to follow proper risk management, you really need this particular app. So let me just go straight to the point. Now what I want to do here is come to this place, just about calculating pips here, calculating the pips and the particular lot size you are supposed to use on any of your trade. So let's say this is Euro USD. This is GBP USD. You just have to come to this place, click on GBP USD, come to stop loss and pips. Let's say you are risking 14 pips in this particular trade. So what you have to do is come here, just put 14 pips stop loss here. Make sure this risk amount is activated here. So your account balance should be around wherever your account balance is. Let's say you are trading $100 or maybe a $200 account. Let's say this is a $500 account now, or okay, let me use $100 account safe. Let me even use $100 account. So you're on $100 account. It's not too big, so maybe you are risking maybe 5%. So and the stop loss for that particular trade is 14 pips. So you just click on, you input everything here and click on calculate. So you see, very fast and reliable. It has given you what to risk. This is $5. You are risking $5 per trade, and this is the amount, the standard lot. You have many lots here. You have the standard, we have the mini, we have the micro, you have to forget about all those ones. What you need here is the standard lot, which is you have to use 0.04. So this takes us to the next two apps you need on your phone, which is the MT4 and MT5. Without these two, those three I've mentioned are useless, because what do you want to be using them for? Or do you want to be giving people signals? I don't know. So now this is the MT4. Yeah, I'm sure I've already taught you guys about how to use this particular MT4, MT5. So I don't think there's much to do here. So you see, these are the pairs you want to trade. Maybe you want to add more, just come here, AUD, USD, click it. You see, AUD, USD, BTC. Let's see, BTC, USD. What are those pairs that we listed on the screen here? Then let's see, these are the pairs. AUD, USD, GBP, JPY, BTC, USD, BTC, USD, BTC, USD, GBP, USD, GBP, JPY, rather, JPY, GBP, JPY, okay? So these are the pairs. You see, these are the pairs. So you can easily, so one thing about this MT4 is you can easily just swipe. If you want to go to your chart here, this particular chart, if you want to go to your chart, on MT5 there's nothing like that. You have to click on the pair and go to open chart. But on your MT4, you can easily just swipe to the left hand side here. You see, open Euro USD. See, this is Euro USD. Swipe and open. Swipe. This is AUD USD. Just swipe and open. BTC USD. Swipe and open. Just like that. Yeah. So that's for that. And if you want to click, if you want to place trades, you want to do anything, let's say if we go to GBP USD, you click on this plus icon. I'm sure I've told you this thing. I'll just go and watch the particular video that I'll be showing up here. If you wanna learn how to trade this thing, how to operate this MT4, MT5 professionally. Yeah. So because I've already taught you guys when I was teaching you guys, how to connect your broker to your MT4 or MT5 here. So you can easily click the sell or buy button here. So and like that. So that's that for MT4, and this is the MT5. The MT5 is pretty much the same thing. Just replicate what I've taught you on the MT4 to replicate it to MT5. But what the thing about MT5 is, it is kind of easier and more like, it is an advanced. You should have known that it is more advanced than compared to the compared to the MT4 here. It's just like a upgraded version. It's like an upgraded version of MT4 here. So 2025, these are the hot top 5 apps you need on your phone, and I've explained to you how to use them. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to end again. Make sure you follow through, learn this, download the apps, so you can easily get them on your Play Store, or maybe on your Chrome or your browser, or anyhow you want to use them. So and you want to also watch this particular video up here, and can also show on my end screen where I taught you guys how to trade Forex. Learn Forex, the basic thing. Knowledge is never enough. Don't tell me you have learned this, this, bro. Go there and take from Caesar. Go and learn more. Knowledge is never enough. Yeah. So I guess that should be all for this particular video. If you have anything to tell me, or maybe you have any question, or you have any suggestion, please do make sure you drop that in the comment section. And like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is very, very important. So once I'm dropping those videos, you just come first serve. Do have a good day. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.